Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can print this PDF as a booklet format. Yes, very important. How are you going to do that? The first thing that you want to do is to put your cursor on it and you want to right click. Now when you right click, you notice this is the word open, but you're not going to click on the word open. You're going to come all the way down here. You know what it is open with? Right? You notice Acrobat, Chrome, Microsoft, and search for Microsoft Store. But we want to open it right here. It's Adobe Acrobat. So we're going to click on that. Now when you click on that, if you notice it's actually open, right? You can if you click right here, it's on show back here. So now this itself is a document, right? This might show up on it. Just come like this and click so now. But what to focus on right here is the print. Here you're gonna click on it. Now when you click on the print, you're gonna bring up this particular area. You may wonder if this here can move. When you hold on cursor and put on it, you notice you can actually shift it over the place just like that. All right, the next thing you have to want to do, ensure that this is the printer that you exactly want to print it to. All right, it's very important. The next thing you want to come down right here. Notice this is size, this is your poster right here, multiple. So we want to click right here on booklet. Now when you click on booklet, definitely this is what come up. All right, and what it show you both side, left, right, and all that. And if you come right here, you're going to click on front page only. Right? Now when you click on that front page only now, right? So this is it. Definitely. Or otherwise, depends on what you have on it. You can say on the back, just the same. So I'm going to put on the front page only based on what I have, right? And when you finish, what you can actually do, you can actually click on the print. And if you notice, it show you, right? And definitely that will print definitely through the printer. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.